Hello there, this is John V, Software Evangelist at Jscape, and you're watching another Jscape MFT server tutorial. If you follow the steps in the video detecting credit card data in your file transfer server using DLP, then you should now have a DLP enabled group in your MFT server. That group directory will have the capability to detect files stored in it that contain certain credit card numbers. If a member of that group attempts to download such a file, the server will prevent the download from taking place and fire a DLP rule-matched event. In today's video, we're going to show you how to configure Jscape MFT server to respond to that event by sending out an automated email notification, perhaps to a system administrator, warning that credit card numbers have been detected. Being able to prevent group members from downloading files that they shouldn't have access to is already a step in the right direction in terms of securing files in your managed file transfer server. But by notifying whoever needs to be notified ensures that further action can be taken. If members of the group in question are not authorized to view this type of information, then the file containing credit card numbers is certainly in the wrong place and something has to be done about it immediately. Here's how you set up Jscape MFT server to automatically send an email once a DLP rule match occurs. Go to the Triggers node and click the Add button. Give the trigger a descriptive name and choose DLP rule matched from the event type drop-down list. Click Next. And click Next again. After that, click Add to add the trigger action that would send out the email notification. Select Send Email from the action drop-down list and then click OK. In the next screen, enter information pertinent to the sender's email account like the host name, port number, connection type. The values you enter into the host name, port number, and connection type will depend on the email hosting service. Enter the sender's email into the From field and the recipient's email into the To field. Next, enter a descriptive subject, for example, DLP match alert, and then add more details regarding the incident into the body. Here's what we used for our body. Notice how we've employed a couple of variables, those enclosed in percentage symbols, to give more factual information regarding the incident. You can access a wide range of variables relevant to the particular trigger being used by clicking the Add Variable button. Click OK when done. Your newly created trigger action should now be added to the list of trigger actions. So now click OK until you're back at the main screen. So now, if a user tries to download a file containing credit card numbers from this group folder, an email notification should be sent to the designated recipient. Here's a sample email notification sent by this particular trigger to my personal Gmail account. That's it. Now you know how to configure Jscape MFT server to automatically send email notifications when credit card numbers